Hey everyone, it is Campercast here at Arcan Trailer, and today I'm very excited to show you this new 2026 Pixel 2.0 M. It's on a Dodge Ram chassis. It's a Class B van. We're going to do a quick walk around the outside and then we'll pop inside. So it does have, on your side view mirrors, you do have cameras. You do have a sewer hose carrier right here. This is where your cassette toilet would get emptied. So you have solar on the roof as well as portable solar setup on the side. You do have your water connections here as well as an exterior spray port. So we'll come around to the back, got the doors open and ready. So you can kind of see straight down the coach from back here. The bed is flipped up. You've got lots of storage space, so if you want to bring any bicycles or anything wherever you're traveling, you got space to do that. This does have an outside shower here, so if you do want to rinse off, you can. There are privacy shades for the windows that Velcro on in both of these little pouches here. One of my favorite things is how you've got a screen so you can keep the bugs out if you want to keep this open. There's also one on the side door I'll show you as well. Just pops up. You do have a hitch on the back too, so you can tow. It is wired for 7-way. So we'll pop around to the side here and head in. You do have a powered box awning up top. Gives you lots of shade. Right here you've got a little side table, so if you want to do any prepping or anything outside, you got a little extra space to do that. This does have a screen door here as well to keep the bugs out, so if you want to keep both of them open for airflow, you can do that. Before we go completely inside here, let's take a quick look at the cockpit. So it's quite a comfortable space. You got two captain chairs that are really comfortable, good for long drives. You do have a display here on the front. It's got your navigation, your comfort control, all your media, your phone setup. You do have power hookups, 115 volt and 12 volt. And you do have a wireless charger built right in. Up top, you'll notice in the rear view mirror, there's also a camera, so you can see everything that's happening behind you while you're driving. So we'll get started on the inside here. So you've got two more seats here to bring extra people. It does have a table that swivels out. But beside this, you can actually see the window here. All the windows on the sides of the camper are actually European windows, so they actually pop open to give you airflow. And then you have the bug screen to keep the bugs out. Or at night, you have the privacy screen that you can pull up. You'll see those on the other windows. You've got a durable coin mat flooring when you come in. Got a little bit of storage space right here, just a little compartment here that you can store some stuff. Now when you come into the coach, there's two different sets of panels and switches in here. Over here, you've got your holding tanks, your fresh, your gray, your black. You've got your water pump, your tank heaters, your awning. It does have an onboard generator, has all your light switches. And then over here, you've got your solar disconnect switch, your solar controller. This does have an inverter built into it. That's also your awning, your Truma water heater and furnace. That's a 2-in-1 system. So because the van is so compact, we don't want to take up too much space and weight with two different systems. So they use the Truma and then some more ceiling lights. You do have this remote here. That's for this high-speed fan here. So if you don't want to run the AC, which it is equipped for back there, you could just run this instead. When you come into the kitchen area, you see tons of counter space. You've got a large sink here. You've got some well-built drawers. You've got a little garbage spot here, and then some storage space. They do have soft closing on them, and then they just latch shut. Over here, you've got the microwave. It's built-in convection and air fryer. And then you get two more drawers down here for storage space as well. Over on this one, you actually get some adjustable shelving. And this does come with an induction cooktop, which is just right here for you to use. Over here, you've got your shower. So it's a 2-in-1 shower system. It's a one-piece fiberglass, so there's no seams. for water to get through. You've got your fridge here and your freezer. They're both quite large. They have a lot of space in them. They're quite deep. They're 12 volt. As you can see, there's tons of storage all the way across. So you can open all of these. They're all lined with felt, so it'll keep the noise down on anything kind of bouncing around in them. And then they do have the residential hinges, so they keep it held up. And you can see these are quite small doors, but they don't cheap out on the hinges. They do 3 instead of 2 on each door. And these ones are also soft close as well. You do have a JBL speaker back here, a Flip 6 JBL speaker, so you can play some music. Right here you have access to your water pump, so if you need to winterize, the bypass is all right there. There's no guesswork. Over here you have a little bit more storage, and you've got the coiled hose in there for the outside shower port. And then this actually comes down for sleeping space. So we'll pop this down. And it's got quite a comfortable mattress. And it's got windows on both sides, storage on both sides. Lots of little USB and USB-C ports everywhere to charge your devices as well. So there you have it. That's the 2026 Coachmen Pixel 2.0M, brand new to our can trailer. We're very excited to carry it. If you have any questions, give us a holler. I'm Camper Cass, and I'll catch you camping.